Hi, friends. I'm Sandeep Arora, founder and CEO of Printodome, and would like to extend a warm welcome to you all in the realm of printer cartridges. The word cartridge, I clearly remember the time, was synonymous with an exceedingly expensive consumable, nearly as expensive as buying a new printer itself. It was in response to this challenge that compatible cartridge industry emerged. So, what exactly is a compatible cartridge? You can find a clear definition on the Government e-marketplace or GEM, where cartridges are broadly classified into two types: OEM and compatible. OEM cartridges or original equipment manufacturers cartridges are those which bear the brand name of the respective printer's OEM. Compatible cartridges, they bear a different brand and are manufactured by an entity other than printer's OEM. They are designed to fit a specific printer and serve as a cost-effective alternative for daily printing needs. Before we delve deeper into the world of compatible cartridges, kindly allow me to introduce myself. In my whole career, I have done just one job, and that was with former Modi Xerox. I am referring to a period of late 80s and early 90s where Xerox was dominating the copier market arena, with models like 1045, 1025 and 1038 clearly dominating the Indian market. However, as the computers became more widespread, printer market underwent transformation. Bulky copiers were replaced by tabletop models which were much more affordable. Alongside desktops, laptops, printers also found a significant place on most workstations. And during that time, HP took the lead, leaving Xerox behind. The demand for consumables grew in tandem with expanding printer volumes. The aftermarket seized this opportunity, with cartridge refills being the first product to gain traction. Although it dominated the scene for a considerable period of time, its market share has been declining ever since. Next came cartridge remanufacturing, where spent shells were reused and imaging components replaced along with toner. This saw entry of few multinationals like Cartridge World entering with their franchise models. Manual, localized nature of the activity and introduction of chipped cartridges and destructible lock cartridges by the printer's OEM posed significant obstacles. I personally participated in this market as one of the first 10 Cartridge World franchisees to open shop in India. In 2007, compatible cartridges entered the scene. However, initially there were major quality challenges. But as volumes grew, the R&D budgets of compatible cartridge manufacturers grew and automation improved quality. Since these cartridges were fully sealed and packed units, they addressed the catchment area issues effectively. Platforms like Amazon and Flipkart facilitated quick delivery, leading to growth of volumes of these products. Introduction of GST further fueled the growth as players could target a larger geographical area. Government also played a pivotal role by recognizing compatible cartridges as a separate entity on its e-marketplace, that is GEM. The popularity of compatible cartridges has risen to such an extent that companies like Xerox are offering them in the market. Between smaller players and giants like Xerox, there are numerous other players offering them in the market at different price points, reflecting their cost of input. Now, the challenge lies in choosing the right brand of compatible cartridges. It was in light of this landscape that I started Printodome with just one objective to achieve, that is to provide value for money consumables to all my clients. That is why at Printodome we offer products that are not only at affordable prices, but there is no compromise with quality whatsoever. We offer a wide variety of cartridges for all your printer needs. At Printodome, we believe that the customer experience should be of such a value that they are provided with all the assistance they require even before they decide to buy our services. At Printodome, we take pride in offering the top tier printing experience throughout your print journey. We believe we are not here to sell products. We are here to help you succeed. Thank you.